All right, guys, good evening. Welcome back to another tutorial on airdrops. Okay, now today I'm going to teach you how to execute and carry out airdrops. Okay, so now we are going to use our trust wallet. So you come to your trust wallet and open your trust wallet. Okay, make sure you secure your trust wallet with two-factor authenticator. Okay, so when you open your trust wallet, you go to the contract to the airdrop link. Okay, this time around let's look at blockchain finance. Okay, let's copy the link. Blockchain finance, we'll copy it, copy the link address. Okay, we'll come back to our D app. Okay, our trust wallet D app. We click our trust wallet D app. We go to the address field. We paste it there. Okay, when we paste it there, excuse me just a minute, we'll paste it. Okay, when you paste it there, you come and click your enter key. Okay, when you click your enter key, it will take you to the web page of the airdrop. Okay, now when you are there, let's wait for it to open up. Okay, this is blockchain finance. This is the airdrop. Okay, you just go through the airdrop web page for information sake. Okay, so what we are doing here is that we are going to claim free airdrop. You are not going to pay any money apart from the gas fee you're going to pay using the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so what you do is that you go to the top right corner of the app browser and change the smart contract to from Ethereum to what, to Smart Chain. Smart Chain is going to be your payment processor for this airdrop. Okay, Binance Smart Chain. So when you change it to Binance Smart Chain, you now come to the web page and go and click claim the airdrop. You just click the claim button. Okay, it will take you to the Binance Smart Chain payment approval. Okay, so what you're going to pay for this airdrop is 20 cents. Okay, you now go and approve it. You just look at the whole page properly. Be sure that the gas fee is in cents. Okay, I don't subscribe to anything more than cents. Anything up to $1, I don't even subscribe to it. So they have to be 18 cents, 20 cents, maybe 30 cents. Okay, or 10 cents. Okay, all right. So after that, you go and click on the button approve. Okay, you have to approve that transaction. Okay, now we've approved the transaction. So what we need to do now is to go and copy the contract address, okay, of this airdrop. We need to, so what we need to go to the Binance. We need to go to the, just scroll and search for the Binance Smart Chain scan. Okay, you open the BSC scan so that you can go there and copy the contract address of this particular airdrop. Okay, so I'm going to click the BSC scan, the BSC scan link, so that it take us to the BSC scan. Okay, Binance Smart Chain scan. Okay, web page. Okay, so this is the token, the blockchain finance. Okay, look at the token. Every information about the airdrop is here, the total supply and what have you, every other information. But what we're looking for here is the contract address. So you come here and copy where the listed contract. Okay, go to this contract and copy the address. When you click the icon there, it will copy it. Then you come back to your trust browser. Click at the top left corner, click the cross, cancel this particular page so that you can go back to your wallet. Okay, when you are at the wallet, at the top right corner, click on that icon there. Click on that icon there to open up where you can search for tokens. Okay, you come and paste that contract address here. Okay, it will now pull up the token of that particular airdrop. Then you go and enable it. Click the right button. There is this switch at the right hand side. Tap it and you enable it. Okay, after enabling, go back to your wallet and go down, scroll down, and you see that your blockchain token wallet is already there, and the 500,000 token which you have subscribed to through the airdrop has been added to your account. Okay, so guys, this is how this is done. Okay, at the end of this, you come back to your D app. Okay, come back to your D app, go back to that lock chain finance. Okay, when you go back there, now change this your Binance Smart Chain, change it to Ethereum. Okay, change it back to Ethereum where you met it before. Okay, and go back again. When you change it to Ethereum, you now close that particular page. Now you come to the history page of your browser. Okay, click on see all. These are all the history of the website you've opened. You have to come and delete everything here so that the people that created this airdrop, if they are scammers, they will not have access to your trust wallet. You come and click the delete icon at the top right corner. You delete the cache. Okay, clear browser data. You said okay. You clear all the data. Okay, you go back to your wallet and you exit from your wallet. Okay, so guys, this is how this is done. All right, if you have any issue, please send me an email or chat me up on WhatsApp. I will respond appropriately. Okay, thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.